Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Charge the case and earbuds fully so firmware updates and stable pairing succeed. With the case open, press and hold the button for 2-3 seconds to force pairing mode. This tells the earbuds to advertise themselves. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and select Momentum TW4. You're doing this because a full charge prevents interruptions and forced pairing clears previous device memory, giving a clean connection. Now optimize fit and sound. Try each ear tip size until you get an airtight seal, because a proper seal improves bass and passive noise isolation. Next, open the Sennheiser Smart Control app to update firmware and set EQ presets. You do this to get the latest fixes and tailor tonal balance. Then customize touch controls and toggle ANC versus transparent mode to match your environment. This ensures to finish, use single ear or stereo mode depending on focus, and press and hold gestures for calls or to switch ANC. You do this because it preserves battery and adapts to tasks. When done, return earbuds to the case to auto power off and charge. If things go wrong, reset by holding the case button 10 seconds until LEDs blink twice, then repair. That reset clears corrupt pairings. If stutter persists, also clear your phone's Bluetooth cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.